U.S. citizenship interview. Full steps from start to finish.
Good afternoon. I'm here for my citizenship interview.
Good afternoon. Please show me your paperwork and your ID.
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Please remove everything in your pocket. And put all your belongings on a plastic tray and place it on the conveyor belt. Then walk through the metal detector for me. All right, walk to the second floor and check in at the front desk for your citizenship appointment.
Thank you.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. I am here for my interview.
Can I see your appointment paperwork and driver's license?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Let me check your information. Please wait a moment.
Okay.
You're all set. Please have a seat and wait to be called.
Thank you.
P14, Mrs. Maria.
Yes, that's me.
Good afternoon. I'm Officer Max. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well, thank you. Please follow me.
Sure.
Feel free to put your bag next to your chair.
Thank you.
Before we begin, I need to place you under oath. Please stand up and raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
What did you just promise?
To tell the truth.
Great. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Can I see your appointment notice, green card, and any other ID you have?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Who came with you today?
My husband came with me.
Great. Did you study for the citizenship test?
Yes, I've been studying hard for 3 months.
Good. Do you understand why you are here today?
Yes, I'm here for my citizenship interview.
Are you ready for the interview?
Yes, I am.
Good. Let's begin the civics test. For the 128 question version, I will ask you at least 12 questions. You must answer all 12 questions correctly to pass. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
How long is a term for a member of the House of Representatives?
2 years.
What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance?
The United States.
George Washington is famous for many things. Name one.
Father of our country.
When did the Great Depression start?
The Great Crash. 1929.
What is the economic system of the United States?
Capitalism.
The President of the United States can serve only 2 terms. Why?
Because of the 22nd Amendment.
Name one American Indian tribe in the United States.
Cherokee,
What is the supreme law of the land?
U.S. Constitution.
What are 2 examples of civic participation in the United States?
Vote. Run for office.
What did the Emancipation Proclamation do?
Freed the slaves.
Who does a member of the House of Representatives represent?
Citizens in their district.
The colonists came to America for many reasons. Name one.
Freedom.
Name 3 national U.S. holidays.
New Year's Day. Memorial Day. Labor Day.
Good. You passed the civics test. Let's start with the English reading and writing test. Are you able to read the sentence on the tablet?
When do citizens vote for president?
Good. Now I will say a sentence and please write it down for me. You can use a stylus pen?
Yes, I can.
Citizens. Vote for president in November. Citizens vote for president in November. Well done. You passed the English reading and writing test too. Let's continue with some personal information. What's your full legal name?
Maria Teresa Santos.
What is your first name?
My first name is Maria.
And how do you spell your first name?
Maria.
Have you used any other name since birth?
No.
Would you like to legally change your name?
No, I would not.
What is your date of birth?
June 7th, 1988.
What is your country of birth and nationality?
Philippines.
When did you become a lawful permanent resident?
October 22nd, 2021.
How did you obtain your green card?
Through my husband's sponsorship.
Is your husband a U.S. citizen?
Yes, he is.
Why are you applying for citizenship?
I want to vote in the next election.
All right. Do you want the Social Security Administration to issue you an original or replacement Social Security card and update your immigration status with the SSA if and when you are naturalized?
Yes, I do.
Can you give me your Social Security number?
874-24-2478.
Are you Hispanic or Latino?
No, I am not Hispanic or Latino.
What is your race?
I am Asian.
All right. Can you say your height in feet and inches?
5 feet 4 inches tall.
How much do you weigh?
I am 128 pounds.
What color is your hair?
Black.
All right. Where do you currently live?
2246 Hayden Circle West, Naples, Florida 34120.
How long have you lived there?
About 3 years.
When did you move there?
July 1st, 2022.
Is your current physical address also your current mailing address?
Yes, officer.
Are you currently employed?
Yes, I am.
What is your job?
I am an administrative assistant in an office.
What is your current employer or company name?
Walmart.
Have you worked anywhere else in the last 3 years?
Yes, before this job, I worked as a cashier at a grocery store for about 1 year.
All right. What's your current marital status?
I am married.
If you are currently married, is your spouse a current member of the U.S. Armed Forces?
No.
How many times have you been married?
1 time.
What is the current legal name of your spouse?
James Anderson.
Is your current spouse's present physical address the same as your physical address?
Yes, officer.
How many times has your current spouse been married?
1 time.
Was your spouse born in the United States?
Yes.
What is your spouse's job?
He is a construction worker.
Where does he work?
He works for Skanska USA building.
When did you first meet your spouse?
We first met in Quezon City in 2018.
Where did you meet?
I met him at my friend's birthday party.
All right, let's proceed to Part 6, information about your children. Do you have any children under 18 years of age?
Yes, I do.
How many children do you have?
2 children.
Do your children reside with you?
Yes.
Can I see your children's birth certificates?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Do you and your spouse have any adopted children?
No, officer.
Have you traveled outside the U.S. in the last 3 years?
Yes.
How many trips have you taken outside the U.S. during the last 3 years?
2 trips.
Did you take any trips outside the U.S. for more than 6 months?
No.
When was your last trip outside the United States?
November 23rd, 2025.
When did you return?
December 20th, 2025.
Why did you travel?
To visit my parents in the Philippines.
Let's continue with some background questions. Please answer yes or no. Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen, in writing or any other way?
No.
Have you ever registered to vote or voted in any federal, state, or local election?
No.
Do you currently owe any overdue federal, state, or local taxes?
No.
Since becoming a permanent resident, have you ever called yourself a non-resident alien on a tax return or not filed a tax return because you considered yourself a non-resident?
No.
What does file a tax return mean?
To send paper tax to the government.
Have you ever been a member of, or in any way associated with, the Communist or Totalitarian Party?
No.
Have you ever participated in acts of genocide, torture, or persecution of any person?
No.
Have you ever associated with any group anywhere in the world that advocated any unlawful damage, injury, or destruction of property?
No.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in any of the following? Used a weapon or explosive with intent to harm another person or cause damage to property?
No.
Engaged, participated in kidnapping, assassination, or hijacking, or sabotage of an airplane, ship, vehicle, or other mode of transportation?
No.
What does kidnapping mean?
Taking someone by force illegally.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in any of the following? Torture.
No,
Intentionally and severely injuring or trying to injure any person?
no,
Not letting someone practice their religion?
no,
Causing harm or suffering to any person because of their race, religion, national origin, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion?
no,
Have you ever served in, been a member of, assisted, helped, or participated in any military or police unit?
no,
Have you ever worked, volunteered, or otherwise served in a place where people were detained, forced to stay? For example, a prison, jail, prison camp, detention facility, or labor camp? Or have you ever directed or participated in any other activity that involved detaining people?
no,
Were you ever a part of any group, or did you ever help any group, unit, or organization that used a weapon against any person, or threatened to do so?
no,
Have you ever received any weapons training, paramilitary training, or other military type training?
no.
What is weapons training?
Learning how to use a gun.
Have you ever committed, agreed to commit, asked someone else to commit, helped commit, or tried to commit a crime or offense for which you were not arrested?
No,
Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined by any law enforcement officer, military official, in the U.S. or elsewhere, or immigration official for any reason, or been charged with a crime or offense?
no,
Have you ever manufactured, cultivated, produced, distributed, dispensed, sold or smuggled, trafficked any controlled substances, illegal drugs, narcotics, or drug paraphernalia in violation of any law or regulation of a U.S. state, the United States, or a foreign country?
no,
Have you ever married someone in order to obtain an immigration benefit?
no,
Have you ever helped anyone to enter or try to enter the United States illegally?
no,
Have you ever made any misrepresentation to obtain any public benefit in the United States?
no,
Have you ever lied to U.S. government officials to obtain an immigration benefit?
no,
Have you ever given any U.S. government officials false, fraudulent, or misleading information or documents? Have you ever been ordered removed, excluded, or deported from the U.S.?
no.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes,
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
yes,
Are you unable to take the oath of allegiance because of a physical or developmental disability or mental impairment?
No.
What is the oath of allegiance to the United States?
A promise to be loyal to the United States.
Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the U.S. Armed Forces?
Yes.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes.
Please review your information on the tablet and confirm if everything is correct.
Sure.
And here is the oath of allegiance to the United States. Please also review and sign at the bottom if you're ready. Congratulations! You have successfully passed your naturalization interview.
Wow, I am so happy to hear that. Thank you.
And here's a copy of your test results. The next step is to attend the oath ceremony, where you will officially become a U.S. citizen. You will receive a notice with the date and time of the ceremony. Do you have any questions for me?
No, thank you. Have a great day.
Okay. Once again, congratulations. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more. See you in the next video.